In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with PowerBI. By the end, you'll have the Power BI app connected to your Asana workspace so you can turn tasks and projects into clear visual reports. You'll just need access to your Asana account and permission to add apps in your workspace. First, open Asana and land on your home view. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures you're in the correct workspace or organization, especially if you switch between multiple ones. If you do see multiple spaces, confirm you're in the one where you want reports to pull data. Now, look to the top right of Asana and click your profile icon. This opens the menu that controls your personal and workspace preferences. From here, choose Settings. That will bring up your account settings panel where you manage notifications, display options, and most importantly for us today, app connections. Inside Settings, move to the Apps tab. This is the central place where Asana lists integrations you've connected and where you can discover new ones. It's useful to remember this spot because after setup, this is where you can review or remove connections if your needs change. Next, click See All Apps. This takes you to the Asana app directory. Think of it as a marketplace curated by Asana, where every integration has a dedicated page that explains what data it uses and what permissions it needs. In the directory, use the search bar and type Power BI. This quickly filters the list so you don't have to scroll. If you're in a managed organization, you might notice certain apps are restricted. If Power BI doesn't appear, you may need an admin to enable it. Open the Power BI app page and click Install Power BI for Asana. During installation, you'll likely be prompted to grant permissions so Power BI can read data from Asana. Review the prompts and continue. If you manage multiple Asana workspaces, verify you're installing it in the correct one. If you see a message that the app is already installed, you can proceed to open or manage it from the Apps tab. If your organization requires admin approval, you may see a request workflow. Send the request and return once it's approved. After installation completes, you'll find Power BI listed under your apps in Asana. From there, you can manage the connection and follow any on-screen guidance to finalize authorization. That's it. The integration is in place, and you're ready to use Asana data in Power BI for richer dashboards and reporting.